Wow, long time no see in a tutorial, huh?
Take off.
What the fuck? This is my blood. Let me introduce you to DJI Air S2 FPV mode. I don't know if this works out. Let's try it. So welcome guys to the tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about the FPV mode on the DJI Air 2S, and we also will test the range. And I lost it. No control. That's a shitty feeling. Really shitty feeling. Look, now I lost it again. I have no control at all. Seriously. Really getting crazy here. So most of you certainly know the Mavic Zoom, and here we have the Neuron, and as you can see when I turn it, it's actually the same size, but when it comes to the drone size, as you can see, the new Air 2S is smaller and more handy. Thanks for the autofocus, Sony. Not. The new remote control is a little bit bigger, but better to use and quicker to set up. So this DJI really improved. Actually, it's super quick setup, so I like this one. And unfortunately, you cannot use the same batteries as the new ones are also smaller. Are you actually kidding me? Even I'm dressed up, one bite me here on my head. It's unbelievable. This is the downside when you live in between of 3 lakes. Batteries fully charged. Let's do the range test. Considering no flight zones, I choose a track which goes up to 8 kilometers. As DJI is communicating 8 kilometers in Europe and even up to 12 kilometers in the USA, theoretically. Always, before you fly, check the restrictions. I'm using this app here, which shows me exactly where I'm allowed to fly and where not. I checked all my way down to Wörthsee. It's completely fine flying above. But for example, the Lake Ammersee, it's not allowed as it is a nature reserve. So please respect this. Okay, range test, here we go. Ready to disconnect. So nice above the Lake Wörthsee. After 1.5 kilometer weak signal, as you can see. Come over. Weak signal. And disconnected. Unbelievable. After 1.7. Come on, weak signal. Disconnected. Disconnected. What's going on here? Completely disconnected. I lost it. No control at all. So, and now, how much it was? 1.7? Not bad. Still disconnected. I hope it comes back. I can't do anything. Now it's coming back, so yeah. Now it's coming back. DJI 1.7 kilometer. What the heck? I mean, how you get up to 12 kilometer in the USA and 8 kilometer? I mean, I don't know. Quite disappointed, I would say. Okay guys, this was the test with you. 1.7 kilometer, it's really not much, but I need to be honest, I did already another test where I didn't record it, and then I went up to 4 kilometer, but still 50% far away from the 8 kilometer which are communicating through DJI. So I'm kind of wondering, yeah, I would like to see how you achieve this, yeah? So guys, what is your experience? How far can you go with your DJI Air S2? Place it in the comments, I'm really curious about it.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is she my friend or my foe? I'm a extra draw. Yeah, she give me that claim I was wrong. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly, I'm Bob Bambi. Baby's yellow text. She wanna eat me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like dick, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah.
Basically what I'm doing to get this move, put the left stick completely to the left and the right completely to the right. And in FPV mode, your gimbal start to get a tilt. And this time some filter pack, really important. As we want to have cinematic shots, DJI this time brings a filter pack and we can easily adjust it with a single click. Unbelievable. I need to say I really like the new all-rounder. The FPV mode really surprised me. It's a lot of fun, and especially landscape. I think I will have a lot of fun to doing some different stuff. Also, I need to say the big sensor, quite nice in a low light situation. I'm a little bit disappointed of the range. DJI, I don't know where you got the 12 kilometer from. I want to see that. And for sure, I cannot compare it with the Mavic Zoom because I will keep it because I really like the 35mm view, especially when I have some project within the city, so I don't want to miss that. But I fell in love with this one. So next week I will publish the next clip. It will be about the Bavarian mountains, recorded with this one. So see you in the next clip, and if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and keep in touch. Bye bye.